Today we are going to try a new recipe. We actually haven't done this one particularly yet. We're going to use some backstrap. So this is off of deer venison backstrap. We're going to use cream cheese, jalapeno, and for the seasoning we're going to use this Pit Boss Chop House steak rub. Okay, I think I'm going to leave this one out for the kids since our kids don't like jalapenos quite yet. They're a little too young. If you're like Clint and I, we love spicy food, so we're going to keep all the seeds in here. But if you don't like spicy, I'd recommend just taking and de-seeding these jalapenos. Okay, I'll take this first one. Sprinkle each side with a little of this Pit Boss Steakhouse seasoning. It has all the goods, all the salt and pepper in it, so it tastes really good. Take a slice of bacon and use it as a mold and wrap this all together. We'll use some toothpicks to hold that together. You don't have to cut this bacon in half, but I did just as a habit. It's probably easier if you don't cut it for what we're doing here. And that's it. So I'll do the rest of these the same exact way. Now that that's all set up, I'm going to clean up really quick and start on the green bean. Okay, so the next dish, we're going to make some green beans, but we're going to top it with a mixture of olive oil, salt, pepper, grated Parmesan cheese. We just get the Kraft kind. Some minced garlic, and I think that is it. After this is all done and baked, we'll also add some mozzarella cheese. So first, I'll take a pan and hit it with some non-stick cooking spray. I don't want my green beans sticking. I also buy the green beans that are already snapped, washed, ready to eat. Super simple. I'm going to place this in the pan. In my mixing bowl, my small mixing bowl, I'm going to start off with some olive oil. Measure out about 1/4 cup. You can use any kind of olive oil you want. We use the extra virgin olive oil, organic, just great value brand. Making sure I don't want to put too many. Half a teaspoon equals 1 clove. Alright, instead of a tablespoon, 2 teaspoons. I don't want it to be too garlicky. We'll go with some Himalayan pink salt. Love this stuff. And some black pepper. We love cheese, so I always go over the suggested amount. This was 1 tablespoon. 2 heaping tablespoons. Let's go with that. Okay, just going to stir this together with a spoon. Use some tongs and we will pour this mixture over. Just sprinkle that all around. And I'll just use these tongs to kind of spread around the mixture. Before you start this process, I would preheat the oven to 425. And we're going to bake this for about 20 minutes. Okay, so after this is done baking, I will also put some mozzarella cheese on it and put it on broil for an extra 45 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. Make sure it doesn't burn the cheese on top. And I'm gonna go get the husband and he will start grilling this fabulous backstrap.
Alright, so I got it set to 350. Let's turn that light off, maybe we can get some better. There we go. I got it set to 350. I got a little pit boss. So it's a pellet feeder. Just gotta put pellets right in here. Then it automatically feeds. So let's close it up, let it get up to 350. Right now it's sitting at about 100. And then we'll put the goods on. Say hi, baby Red. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright guys and gals, so we have these yummy tasty nuggets on the grill. It's the backstrap with the jalapeno. I'm so excited for these. Look at that scrumptiousness. So they've been on for about 5 minutes. I was just going to run out and check, especially those 2 steaks for the kids. But we're going to leave them on for a bit longer. It's running at about 300 right now. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes all together on the cooking part. We cooked it at about 350, 365. Like I said, it's a pit boss with the pellet feeder, so I'm going to go ahead and take a gander at them. Oh boy, those look scrum diddly-umptious. So I'm going to have to set the camera down, but I'll get these pulled off and then we'll set them on the table, pray over our food, and get to eating. Stay tuned. Alright, Eric, you ready to pray?
Yep. Thank you, God, for this food. Thank you, our family. Thank you, God, for this food. Thank you, my God, for us, God. Amen.
Amen.
Yay.
Good job, Biggin. Green beans.
Eric, you want some green beans?
Yes, I do.
Yes, please.
I'll
I got
put
that
in
piece
my...
crispy for you. How many you want? 2?
I'll start with one.
Okay.
I want one too. I want one too.
You want one?
Yeah.
Here.
Thank you. Oil pin on. Oil pin on.
What do you think?
That's money.
Ooh. I don't know where the other toothpick is. I see one.
You'll find it. It burned off the end, I'm sure.
So there, it's probably like stuck in there. It's probably stuck in there.
You find it?
Mm-mm.
No, it's gone now.
That's good. Thank you guys so much for watching and joining our family tonight for dinner. For further videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notifications. That way you can keep getting this scrumptious food. And we'll catch you on the next episode. Thanks for watching Cooking with Crystal.